Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about logistic regression. Logistic regression is a statistical technique that models the probability of events given one or more independent variables. Logistic regression predicts whether something is true or false instead of predicting something continuous. The input data for logistic regression can be multiple numerical type input, but the output data will be binary, either 0 or 1, indicating true or false values. The logistic function in model of logistic regression fits to the S-shaped curve to this data. This is used to make predictions of probability whether or not an event will happen, such as how many hours of study to predict what is the probability of passing the exam. If you see in this example, when the hours of study is low, we have less probability of passing. And when the higher hours of study, the probability of passing will be high. The slope of the curve, which is represented by asterisk, gives you probability percentage of passing with respect to hours of study. So you can see that the S-shaped curve will climb or decrease. Respectively, we can then leverage it to predict probability between 0 and 1. Now let's take an example of 8-hour study. Now this reflects around 75% of passing probability. If we define a threshold, say at 0.5, and anything greater than 0.5 is true, else anything less than 0.5 is false. This means our 0.75, that is 75% of study, will be predicted as pass. In this case, the probability of passing exam is true. The threshold can be changed or moved according to the requirement or the scenario. Now let's understand mathematical interpretation of logistic regression. The main goal of logistic regression is to estimate the probability of occurrence. The value range of prediction is between 0 and 1. Hence, the logistic function results only value 0 or 1 no matter where you are in the x-axis between minus infinity to plus infinity. The equation of logistic function looks like this. Function x, that is logistic function, equals 1 divided by 1 plus exponential minus beta 1x plus beta 0. This is the function that produces the S-shaped curve. Here E is Euler's number, which is special constant. Beta 1x and beta naught is a linear function, that is the log odds function. Thus, the probability that the dependent variable is 1 is given by this equation for given value of independent variable. Here the dependent value is function x or y predictive value, and independent values are x1, x2, etc. We will run through a logistic regression practical example with a simple dataset using Python in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on new and exciting videos.